Healed by animal videos. When I was watching TV while replying to an email, the TV featured animal videos, so I inadvertently stopped and focused on the TV. There were lots of funny and cute videos of animals such as dogs and cats, and I couldn't help but smile. Also, I was healed as the parakeets sang the same parts of a song over and over again, and as the hamster desperately exercised for food. Animals have a mysterious power to heal us. I was so addicted to this TV show, and I started watching animal videos on video sites myself.